Hello, class 7. This is the continuation of your chapter number 20, that is direct and indirect speech. In the last video, we have seen the definition of direct and indirect speech. Then we have seen the comparison between them. After that, we have seen how to change tenses when we are converting direct into indirect speech. Then we have done exercise A and B. Now we have to start with change in pronouns that is given on page number 161 in your grammar books. Now see this topic, change in pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns like I, you, she, he. All these are your pronouns. So let's see what is given here. Personal pronouns, that is I, you, he, she, they, and possessive adjectives like his, my, her, your undergo changes while reporting in indirect speech. Means there are going to be some changes when we change these personal pronouns and possessive adjectives into indirect speech. Now see the first point. I, the first person pronoun, changes to the same person as the subject of the reporting verb in direct speech. See what does it mean? See this example. She said, I enjoy listening to music. So in subject, what is there? She. So we will change it with the same person as in the subject, like she. So it will be she said that she enjoyed listening to music. Then I is the first person pronoun here and changes to she. Now see the second example. He said, I like to read books. So how it will be changed? He said he liked to read books. I changes to he. Possessive adjective in direct speech changes to the same person as the subject of the reporting verb. Same thing is here. Like he said, my bag is red. This possessive adjective, it will be changed into same person as the subject. What is the subject? He. So what will be the answer? He said that his bag was red. Here my is changed into his. See the second example. She said, my parents want to meet Sita. What will be the answer? She said that her parents wanted to meet Sita. Why we have written her in place of my? You just see the subject. What is subject? She. So we have changed according to she, and that is her. Next, second person pronoun, that is you, changes to the same person as the object of the reporting. There we have to see the subject. Here we have to see the object of the reporting verb. Then see, Nisha said to him, you are an intelligent boy. What is the subject here? Nisha. Reporting verb is said and him is the object. So it will be changed according to object, that is him. So Nisha told him that he was an intelligent boy. Then second person pronoun you changes to he according to the object him in direct speech. See, Mohit said to her, your pen is new. What is the object? Her. So Mohit told her that her pen was new. Are you all getting it? Then see, the possessive adjective your changes to her according to the person of the object her in direct speech. Then see the C example. Alok said to me, your parents are in the room. Alok told me that my parents were in the room. Then Alok said to Nisha, your water bottle is empty. Alok told Nisha that her water bottle was empty. Now see the third point. Pronouns of the third persons, that is he, she, and their possessive adjectives do not change. Like she said he enjoys horse riding. She said he enjoys horse riding. So in this way, we change pronouns of direct into indirect speech. Now what we have to do? We have to do this exercise C that is given here. What you have to do in this exercise C, you have to rewrite them in indirect form. Alright, see the first one, and of course you have to use appropriate pronouns. See the first one. She said to him, you have passed with flying colors. You. Second person is there. We have to change according to that. What will be the answer? She told him that he had passed with flying colors. Then second is the girl said to the gym instructor, I want to use the treadmill for a longer time. First person, I is first person. Then see what will be the answer. The girl told the gym instructor that she wanted to use the treadmill for a longer time. Third, Nakul said to Kiran, your crayon set is in the drawer. What will be the answer? Nakul told Kiran that her crayon set was in the drawer. Then Arun said to his friend, I am planning to buy some ice cream on my way home. Arun told his friend that he was planning to buy some ice cream on his way back home. Then fifth, mother told her, you ate too many chocolates. Mother told her that she had eaten too many chocolates. Alright. Now, what is the next topic? Expressions of time and place change into indirect speech. Here are some words that indicate time, place, and position of something. They change in reported speech. See, Sohan said, I went there last week. So, last week changes into previous week. Sohan said that he had gone there the previous week. Similarly, there are more words. See, tomorrow changes to the next day or the following day. Yesterday changes into the day before or the previous day. Tonight becomes that day. Today becomes that day. Tonight becomes that night. Today becomes that day. This becomes that. These become those. Next day becomes the following day. Last week becomes the previous week. Here becomes there. Ago becomes before. And now, that is generally omitted in indirect speech, is changed into then. Now here are some more examples to show that there are changes of expression of time and place in indirect speech. He said Rita bought this car a week ago. He said that Rita had bought that. This becomes that. That car a week before. Ago changes into before. Then she said the minister will inaugurate this bridge next month. She said that the minister would inaugurate. This becomes that bridge the following month. Now exercise D, you have to read the following sentence and change them into indirect speech with special attention to words denoting time, place and position of something. See the first one. She said Ramesh will go to Kolkata tonight. What will be the answer? She said that Ramesh would go to Kolkata that night. Tonight becomes that night. He said Ria may go to the market tomorrow. What will be the answer? He said that Ria might go to the market the next day. Third, Sheena said he has reached here. Sheena said that he had reached there. Here becomes there. Fourth, Puneet said the Wimbledon tournament will be held next year. Puneet said that the Wimbledon tournament would be held the following year. Then fifth is Hina said the weather is pleasant today. Hina said that the weather was pleasant that day. Sixth, Mohan said to Hari, King Ashoka ruled Patliputra many years ago. Mohan told Hari that King Ashoka had ruled Patliputra many years before. Alright, so this finishes our exercise D, that was to change indirect speech, especially changing the time, place and position of something. So students, you can see here the answers are given. If you have not followed any answer, or if by mistake you haven't heard it properly, you can write it from here, pause this video for some time and complete till exercise D. In the next video, we will start with the next topic, and that is how to change or you can say conversion of statement into indirect speech. That is what we are going to do in the next video. So read each and everything, that is how to change pronouns and then changes of time, place. Read these things properly and complete these two exercises in your copies. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.